You want to improve your English, but you're just lying there doing nothing.
Wake up! Progress doesn't happen by itself.
No more excuses. No more maybe tomorrow. It's today. It's now.
Come with us. Make English dance in your head, where words stick in your mind, with better pronunciation.
And English becomes simpler than ever.
Hit play, speak out loud, and let's start. Making complaints. Dialogue 1. Manager?
Yes, may I assist you?
For the past 5 minutes, I've been attempting to contact the front desk. Their phone line is often busy. Why is it always so busy?
Sorry to have kept you waiting. This line is usually busy during peak hours. As soon as the line is free, I will ask them to call you back.
Thank you very much. Dialogue 2. Could I please see the manager? I'd like to make a complaint. Yes, please wait a moment.
Can I assist you, madam?
Actually, I checked into your hotel on Wednesday, but something made me feel uncomfortable during my stay here.
I'm ready to listen.
First, when I checked in, the receptionist was uncomfortable because I hadn't made a reservation. It is, however, essential to make a reservation each time.
No, it's not required.
Second, some equipment in the room was broken. Some lights didn't work and there was no hot water in the bathroom. Even, there were not enough blankets in my room.
I'm so sorry for this inconvenience.
Finally, the service for the rooms is too slow, and the staff has a bad service attitude.
I do apologize. I'd like to offer you a 30% discount on the price for the next time as a gesture of goodwill.
Checking out. Dialogue 1. Good morning, sir. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I would like to check out today.
Okay, sir. May I ask your name and room number, sir?
I'm Henry Robert, and I'm from room number 812.
Okay, I see. Have you made any long-distance calls?
Yes, last night to Rome.
Okay, give me just a few seconds, sir, and I'll hand you your receipt. Here you are.
Many thanks.
Sir, did you enjoy your stay here?
Most of my time here was pleasant.
I'm glad you enjoyed the city anyway. I hope your trip home is pleasant. Dialogue 2. Good morning. We want to check out right now. Could you please provide me your room number? Yeah, room 501. We'll send someone up straight immediately to assist you with your bags. Could you tell me if it is preferable to take the bus or a cab to the airport? If you are in a rush, I recommend using a cab. How long does it take a cab to get to the airport? Approximately 30 minutes. Could you please call a cab for me? Of course. Other requests. Dialogue 1.
May I assist you?
When I went out, I misplaced my room key. Will you open it for me?
What about the spare key?
Oh, I'm sorry. I left it in my room.
I got it. In this case, we'll issue you a new key. What's your room number?
Room 125.
Okay, here's your key.
Dialogue 2. Good evening. May I assist you? Hello and good evening. I'm Linda, and I'm in room 123. I'm wondering whether I can extend my stay for another 2 days. Wait a moment. I'll check the hotel's booking status. Good. I'm pleased we'll be able to accommodate your request for an extension. However, I'm afraid you'll have to switch rooms for the next 2 nights. As you can see, we've already rented your room to someone else. Is that okay? Sure, no issue. Let's see, room 210 will be available. That's okay. The next tenant will arrive just after noon tomorrow. That means I have to pack up my things by noon. So I'm going to move rooms at 10:30 a.m. Reserving a table. Dialogue 1. Good morning. Heaven Restaurant. May I help you?
Hello, I'd like to make a reservation. Do you have any free tables?
Yes. For how many people?
There'll be 4 of us.
What time would you like the reservation for?
We would prefer 7 p.m.
Sir, you'll reserve a table for 4 at 7 p.m. Could you tell me your name, please?
Timmy.
See you at 7 p.m., Mr. Timmy. Dialogue 2.
Hi, I'd like to make a dinner reservation.
Of course. What evening will you be joining us on?
I want to book a table for tonight.
How many people will you need the reservation for?
There are 5 adults and 2 children.
What time would you like your table?
Around 8 p.m. on this day.
And how much money are you willing to spend?
Approximately $20 per person. We'd like to have a seat together.
Okay. And could you please tell me your name?
Yes, Jordan, and please position us as near to the window as possible.
I'm not sure, but I'll do my best. Taking a seat. Dialogue 1.
Sir, good evening. Thank you for visiting our restaurant. Do you have a reservation? Yes, I reserved a table for 4 people. Mark is my name. We've reserved a window table for you. Please, this way. This private room provides a fantastic view of the city. This room is close to the band. Is it noisy? Don't worry, sir. This song has a gentle melody. If you don't like it, I'll get you another table. Thank you, but it's okay. This restaurant really provides really good service.
Dialogue 2. I'm Lisa. I reserved a table for 3 people. Yes, ma'am. Do you like a table in the smoking or non-smoking area? I would like a table in the non-smoking area. Please come this way. Thank you very much. My pleasure. Have a great time. Ordering food. Dialogue 1. Can I see a menu, please? Certainly. Here you are. Thank you. What's today's special? We're having coconut shrimp with rice and a side salad. We also serve prime rib for $8 per person, which includes a salad, choice of potato or rice. That sounds good. I think I'll just have prime rib with rice. Would you want some appetizers or a salad with that? Yes, I'll take the salad. Dialogue 2. What would you like for appetizers?
Seafood soup.
That's great. And after that, today we have roasted crab with salt and sashimi raw lobster. Would you like those?
Do you have king crab?
Yes, you can enjoy salt-baked king crab.
Okay.
Would you like to drink some wine?
1 red wine, please.
Certainly. Could I serve you anything else?
No, thanks. That's enough. I'll order later.
Hurrying the waiter to serve up. Dialogue 1. Your steak, salad, and beer, sir. Please enjoy your lunch.
Great. And in addition, we got Italian-style fried bacon buns.
It's on its way.
We have a meeting at noon, so please urge the cooks to hurry up.
Yes, the food will be up in a few minutes.
Thank you very much.
Dialogue 2.
Please, excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
My meal seemed to take a long time to prepare. I ordered half an hour ago. However, my lunch was still not served. I only have a little time until I have to go.
I apologize. I'll check in to see what's happened.
Thank you very much.
Service during the meal. Dialogue 1. Excuse me, may I take your plate, miss? Sure, go ahead. Do you like the dish? Yes, it's quite excellent. May I show you the dessert menu? Yes, please. Here you are, miss. Let's see. I'll have some ice cream, please. Which flavor would you prefer, chocolate or vanilla? I'll just take the vanilla, please. Certainly, miss. Just a moment, please. Dialogue 2.
To me, it doesn't taste right. Could you fetch me some salt? Sure thing. Would you like anything else? And we'd want to share this beefsteak. Could you perhaps bring a few small plates? Yes, just a moment. Here are 2 small plates and some salt. Thank you very much. We're always ready to serve you. Bon appetit.
Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.